What up, what up? S&M Hit Squad, and welcome back, guys. Hey, it's your boy Sean.
And your girl.
Come on, my love.
Meg.
Yes, yes, yes. Bam.
What is
Hell
up,
yeah.
S&M Squad? How are you guys doing today? We hope you guys are absolutely amazing.
Yes, you guys. And if not, guess what? Let's turn around right now with some good energy plus some good music. My love, what we got, babe?
Today we'll be reacting to the zombies.
Zombies.
She's not there.
She's not there.
She's not there.
Then where is she?
I don't know.
Let's find out where she at.
Let's find out.
Alright, guys, before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so you guys be notified the next time we drop a banger.
Alright.
That's what I'm talking about. That's the Hit Squad. Alright, babe, you ready to get into it? This is our
I'm
first
ready.
time.
Yes.
The zombies.
I'm ready.
Let's get it.
Let's do it, baby.
Come on. Good energy, good music. Bam! That's all we need. That's it. Here we go, y'all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, no one told me about her, the way she lied. Well, no one told me about her, how many people cried. But it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way she looked, the way she acted, the color of her hair. Her voice was soft and cool, her eyes were clear and bright, but she's not there.
Hell yeah, baby.
Well, no one told me about her. What could I do? Well, no one told me about her, though they all knew. But it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care?
It's too
Please
late.
don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way she looked.
Hold on now. These guys are going off.
All right. She's not there.
Back in the day, the zombies.
Wow, this is our first time
She's not
reacting to
there.
the zombies.
She is not there.
Okay, was this in the 70s or the 60s?
Let's
Because
try the 50s.
really,
Maybe, yes, maybe the mid 50s. I don't know. I'm not sure,
I
guys.
don't think I don't know. Maybe you're right.
Maybe
but I'm
the
looking
60s.
at the fashion, the haircuts,
Maybe the
and
60s.
everything.
I'm thinking the 60s.
Yeah.
Okay.
Late 60s.
But the sound. They sound good.
I like that.
Okay, she's not
The
there.
zombies.
Not what I care.
The color of her hair, her voice was soft and cool, her eyes were clear and bright, but she's not there.
Oh yeah, taking it back.
The lady.
Not there.
Wow.
But it's too late to say you're sorry. How would I know? Why should I care? Please don't bother trying to find her. She's not there. Well, let me tell you about the way she looked, the way she acted, the color of her hair. Her voice was soft and cool, her eyes were clear and bright, but she's not there.
Hell yeah, man.
Woo!
That's what I'm talking about. She's not there.
All right. I love the sound of the zombies.
Yes, and I know this song right here woke up a lot of you guys. You know, brought back some memories.
Yeah.
So, hell to the yeah.
Oh my
That's what I'm
God.
talking about. She's not there.
I'm
But
here.
let me tell you, bright eyes.
Wow.
That's what I'm talking about, you guys. Hey, that's a classic right there.
Sometimes it be like that, you know, guys. Sometimes it be like that.
And you gotta,
Sometimes she won't be there.
you gotta
So
take the good with the
cherish
bad.
her while you have her.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about, you guys. All genres.
Or he may not be there.
You know, we doing 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. It don't matter. Y'all
Yeah.
drop it all. We
I
gonna
love
pick it
the
up.
sound. It sounds like,
Back in the day.
are these guys from England? Let us know in the comment
Good
section.
question.
Yeah, they have that
Says a little
sound
accent
that
there.
I love.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
Let us know in the
That's what
comment
we're talking
section
about.
where these guys are from, and let us know their hits. What would you guys like us to react to next? By the Zombies.
The zombies in the building.
And I love that guitar sound that they
Oh, yeah.
had.
And
It
that was-
wasn't too much. It was just mellow.
Yeah,
But I like that sound.
that was back in the
And
day.
it was, they was still rocking out, but
Yeah.
like mellow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like it.
They was showing the lady like she was just smiling.
But she wasn't
She
there.
wasn't there.
It was like her eyes were like blank. Like,
Yeah. It's crazy, and it was in black and white, so I know it was like
oh yeah.
probably like the 50s or the 60s.
Okay.
Color came in like what, the 70s.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, so
You guys let us
Not
know in
sure,
the comment
guys.
section.
we just guessing. But great song, great sound. We loved it. Definitely give it a 10.
Most definitely.
We definitely want to hear more of you guys. So make sure you guys definitely get inside the comment section, and we appreciate the love.
Most
My
definitely.
love, you had a blast?
Yes, baby. I had such a
It's
blast.
nothing like it, right?
Nothing like it at all.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, y'all make sure y'all get this video a big fat thumbs up. Let's continue on the rabbit hole. 1,000 more likes. Let's continue. Why not? We having fun. Amazing journey. Lots of music.
Yeah.
New
Most
faces. New
Welcome
sound.
all newcomers.
Yes.
And
We on our
welcome
way.
back all old comers.
We on our way to 100K, guys. So definitely be a part of it. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button.
We appreciate
We about to get up
the
out of here and
love.
sign off. But hold up. Babe, you had a blast?
Yes, I did.
Had to make sure you had a
my
blast.
love. Yes.
Because
Did
the
you?
music is coming in. Yes, definitely had a blast. Love the sound.
Okay.
Love the whole black and white, back in the day.
Yeah.
The songs really
I
mean.
love it.
They had that
Let me
meaning
tell
to
you
them.
about the way she looks.
Yes.
The way she
Make you
looks.
feel it.
She loves it.
But yep, we signing off, guys. Everybody have a blessed day. Hey, it's your boy Sean.
And you, girl.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now.
Come on now. Hell yeah. Bam.
We love
Your
you
favorite
guys.
couple.
Have an amazing day.
Yes.
S&M Squad.
God bless everyone that's watching.
Yeah.
Y'all be safe. Peace.